Hey guys, Barry here from Epic Cycles, and if you live in the city of Toronto, you know how hectic traffic can get, but there are better ways to get around. Yes, I'm talking about electric bikes and electric scooters for getting around the city. Have you ever seen car ads? Well, I'm sure you have, but they always try to sell us on adventure and freedom. Well, that's far from the truth, especially in the city with gridlock traffic, constant stopping and going, parking nightmares. It's just boring. With an e-bike or e-scooter, you get none of that and all of the fun and real adventure. And I always have time to stop by my favorite record store. Now let's talk numbers. Owning a car in the city is expensive. Gas, parking, insurance, huge depreciation, costly, expensive repairs. Sure, there are more affordable options like public transportation, but then again, there's recurring costs to use public transportation, where owning an e-bike or e-scooter is a one-time cost, and then there's no other costs such as gas, insurance, expensive repairs. Sure, there are repairs and maintenance with e-scooters and e-bikes, but a fraction of the cost of a car. So if you're looking for the most cost-effective method for transportation, look no further. It's an e-bike or e-scooter. You'll pay yourself back within a few months. I know what you're thinking, what about bad weather? But truthfully, with the right clothing, you can ride in anything. Rain jackets, gloves, dress warm during the winter. If it's a snow blizzard outside, okay, maybe take public transportation. For the majority of the year, you can certainly ride electric bikes and scooters dressed appropriately. E-bikes and e-scooters are for absolutely everyone, whether you're a student, a young professional, or a senior citizen. So whether you're looking to cut time, save money, or just enjoy your commute, try an e-bike or e-scooter. Epic Cycles is here in Toronto, Vaughan, Ottawa, and as well online. We ship all across Canada. Trust me, once you make the switch, you will never turn back.
epiccycles.ca